Hi, my name is Dennis Hall. I'm the founder of LearningTemplates.com. I'm going to show you how to configure the Learning Record Store, or the LRS, or TinCan server, as some people know it, after installing my TinCan Manager plugin. So what we want to do now that the plugin has been installed and activated, what we want to do now is we want to go to Manage TinCan, which, by the way, has been placed underneath Pages for your convenience, because Pages are where you would typically go after you would configure a course in this product. But the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to the Learning Record Store settings, or the LRS settings. When this product was installed, I pre-configured a pile of information for you, which has already been populated in the Learning Record Store database. Now, when your Learning Record Store is being configured in this product, there's some information you need to know in advance. For example, the Lrs User Key. This is a key, or a code, that identifies the path to your reporting or your other software facilities in your Learning Record Store. We need this so that we can later, within the application, find out how do we get to your reporting facilities. We then need your Learning Record Store root URL. This is the path that this key would become appended to create the full path for you to get to your reporting facilities, and both of these are related to that. We then have your LRS administrator's email and password, which can be used in the future related to your LRS if need be. Then we have the Lrs Endpoint. What is typically called the endpoint is the path to the XAPI adapter that is built into an LRS. That's kind of like in the past you've heard about the SCORM connectors or the SCORM adapters. Well, this is the same thing, and we need the path to your LRS adapter. After that, we have some encoded usernames and passwords, which are LRS related. These two, the username and the password, are directly related to anyone being able to have records written into your LRS system. They don't have to, these aren't people who will be logged into your LRS. This is kind of a system level user and password. And later on this will be base 64 encoded, otherwise known as 64-bit encoded. So it'll be encrypted even further, adding to the security. We then have the WordPress user message. What this message is when a person is not logged into your WordPress system, this is the message that will appear. Now, the first thing that I'd like to let you know is that when you installed this, if you have subscribed to my LRS service, all of this is pre-configured for you at the moment to use our demo LRS system. Even if you subscribe to our system, you will receive this information in an email, and you will simply copy and paste from that email into your LRS in WordPress. Let's go ahead and let's update this. And what we're going to do, because we're going to use the LRS email or the LRS demo system for this purpose, we'll leave all of this information here. This is all fine, and we'll keep the demo user and everything, but just to show you that you can change messages, you can change the WordPress user message, which the user will see when they are not logged into WordPress. We'll change this to log in to use this course. Now, why did I make this message configurable? And this is, by the way, a system-wide message, so it pertains to all non-logged in users in WordPress. But why did I make this a configurable message? This way you can put your own custom message for the WordPress users, and you can do it in your own language if need be. You click update, and this record will be updated. We'll go back to the credentials, and you'll see log in to use this course.